Hello everyone, I am going to explain about store operations by Sharath Hegde. Store operation is a very wide space in retail. One of the most important thing in order for retail to be a success. So let's get started. Store operations. Store operation is a general term for the teams that are responsible for the smooth running of retail business. In store from the sales assistant to store or general manager, this majority of retail jobs falls under this department. Let's look at what are the strategy formulation in store operation. First, define the primary task. What is the most important task? Understanding what core competency for that particular task. Assessing core competencies for that we need to understand what does the firm do better than anyone else. Positioning of the firm so that retail outlet we need to understand what other position that high end, low end or medium end enterprise. How well the firm compete in terms of cost, quality as well as speed of the particular product. So whenever we talk about store operation, we need to understand what is the strategy we need to formulate in order to have a successful store operations. Let's look at important aspects of store operations. For store to function efficiently and operationally well, we need to understand customer service. Customer service need to be a A1 quality. Nobody wants to come into your store and have experience of the bad customer service. Also making sure that availability of product should be there on the shelf. Next point, in store process. In store process, in the back in the side, it technology, organization, etc. Staff planning and motivation. Staff in the store which is very trained well, and also they should engage to motivate and serve your customer. Now let's understand day-to-day checklist followed by each and every members of store operation team. Let's quickly look at that cash credit card operations. Cash credit card operation in place which that is the duty responsibility of cashier as well as head cashier. Gift voucher credit notes as well as good quality gift and vouchers. Next point, exchange. Exchange of the government as well as alteration of central of product is something that to follow the SOP which is standard operation procedure. Stock transfer between a store and warehouse. Price revision. Damages. Manual invoice. What are the responsibilities of store manager? Now the store manager is a head of the particular retail outlet or retail store. Then there is a lot of responsibility. He has to be in charge of human resource. Division of responsibility. It's important that all the staff members get equal responsibility, that should not be too much of work. Hiring, training and development. In the staff recruitment of right kind of people, training them for the right kind of attitude that you want. Next point, problem solving. Whenever that problem, he needs to have a solution. Last point, team development. Whatever is it, team development in terms of employee, something that is the lookout the store manager. Thank you.